What is up, everybody? Welcome to this unboxing and review video of the Logitech M330 silent mouse. So this is a wireless mouse by Logitech, and actually right here I have the M705, which is kind of like the big brother of the M330. And I've been using this for quite a while now, and it's a great mouse. It fits in my hand perfectly, and the only drawback is it is quite loud. The clicky noises are quite loud, so that is why I got this one over here to see the difference, because as Logitech claims, the M330 is supposed to be over 90% quieter than a normal mouse. That includes the M705. So let's get unboxing and see how this little boy performs. Okay, here at the back we can see they claim over 10 meters or 33 feet of range for the signal, and 24-month battery life with a single set of batteries. I don't know how true that is, but if that is true, that's pretty awesome, because you don't have to change your batteries. I hate changing my batteries. This is just the manual and some instructions how to insert your batteries. We don't need that. Let's get the mouse out. Inside. So straight away we see there is some kind of tab at the back, which I assume we have to pull it. Probably it's for the batteries or something. Now if we open this port over here, that's right. Oh, they actually use only one battery, alkaline, and it's already included. Now if we take the M705, we can see it uses two batteries. But apart from that, they both have this on-off switch over here, just right here, and they have optical lasers. Now, this is the interesting part. The actual wireless adapter, the wireless USB adapter, is hidden in the mouse itself. So now if we have a good look at that, we can see it says Logi on it instead of Logitech, and unfortunately it is not a Logitech unifying receiver compared to the M705, which uses the unifying receiver. So what the unifying receiver does is it enables you to connect 6 Logitech devices on one receiver, so you don't have to have a separate USB receiver for your mouse, your keyboard, your joystick controller or whatever, so you only use one. Unfortunately, the M330 doesn't have that. However, let's close it and see how it performs acoustically. Now, we'll just put it on the table. I'm pressing those buttons, and I can definitely say it's much quieter than a normal mouse. Like, you don't have a clicky noise, but you still have the tactile feeling of pressing a button. And the scrolling wheel feels so nice, and it's not loud at all. It's not loose. When you scroll up and down, it feels nice and sturdy. It's not loose at all. And yeah, let's compare it to the M705. Now, this is the M705. You know, pretty loud like a normal mouse. And the scrolling wheel, I don't particularly like the scrolling wheel on this one. See, like when you scroll it, it keeps going. It has like a weight to it. Well, the 330 is just there, man. It doesn't unnecessarily scroll down and up. And now let's compare them side by side. And now over here, almost nothing. And yeah, now from a geometry point of view, the M330 is a little bit smaller. However, the design, the curves are pretty similar to the M705, and I can say it fits pretty well in my hand. You know, I got big hands, so I think it will be good. It will be good for me. It will fit me. Yeah, however, this one is kind of like better for my size of hand. Also, on the M330 you don't get this button over here that changes the mode of the scrolling wheel. So now if you notice, it kind of like scrolls in increments, and if you disable that, it just freewheels, so it keeps spinning and spinning and spinning. I never use that mode. I always use this, like the step increment mode. So this is the unboxing and kind of review of the Logitech M330 wireless mouse. And acoustically, I think it performs very well compared to other silent mouses I've used. And I'll definitely use it and see how it performs, and let you know if I'm happy with it or not. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like the content, please subscribe, like, and let me know what you think in the comments.